Yeah, 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 yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Itunu Pepper if you're new here, and no, that is not me, that is my cousin. And in today's video I'm just going to be giving her a makeover just because. One thing I realized yesterday, and I was like, what, this is actually true, is that if anybody is actually like my friend, or if you're actually close to me and I've never put makeup on your face or I've never asked you to put makeup on your face, they're probably not that close. Like, I literally, like, almost everybody in my life, I probably wanted to put makeup on their face, ask them to put makeup on their face, or already put makeup on their face. It's just so weird. But yeah, so she asked me if I could teach her how to put makeup on, but I'm not like the bomb at makeup. Yeah, I do makeup good, I think, but I've never done any classes or anything. Just picked it up and I know what I like. I'm more of like a natural, neutral, like pinky, nudie person. But yeah, I'm also not a product person, like a product junkie. I literally have things that I've used before and I just literally stick with them if they're working for me. There's some products that I've used forever. But yeah, so having said that, I'm not going to be mentioning like a whole lot of products that I use, because I really feel like you can achieve flawless makeup without using bloody expensive or using the same exact products, if that makes sense. Like, you can definitely achieve the same look with using what you have. So for foundation, what I used is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I've been using this one for like probably 2 years now. And then I first used the foundation brush, and then I went in with the beauty sponge. And then here I like to contour first, so do the dark stuff first. So I'm using black Opal in Walnut, I believe. So I put this in the hollows of her cheeks. And it's just so nice that I can actually see what I'm doing. Like, I have a video of it because I realized that I drew out the contour too far to her lips. Like, you should literally stop your contour right where the eyes stop, so that when you blend, even if it comes out a little bit more, it doesn't look crazy. But I think I later on went in to fix that. But yeah, so I'm just using this Real Techniques brush. I can't remember what it's called, but I will put information in the description bar if you guys are interested in knowing what brushes or what products I've used. But bear in mind, like I said before, you can literally achieve the same thing without using the exact same products. So I'm going in also with the L'Oreal, what is this called? Their concealer, I think is, I've literally forgotten what it is. More Than Concealer, yeah, the L'Oreal Paris More Than Concealer. And I'll put my shade and everything there, but it's not that it matters because everybody's probably a different shade anyway, so. Yeah, so I just usually like to do the reverse contouring right under the contour, just to make it more prominent. So going back in with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend all of the concealer out. Like, it literally looks like I'm killing her face half the time, but trust me, it's not as bad as it looks. When I was watching this video back, I was like, please, why does it look like I'm stabbing her face, for goodness sakes? Trust me, I'm not stabbing her face, it just looks like it. But yeah, I really enjoyed doing this on her face. Like, it's just so satisfying to transform someone's face. But anyway, next thing, I'm going in with a lighter shade of concealer for just the inner corner and just directly under the eye. I figure that it brightens up the eyes. And this is the LA Girl concealer. I've forgotten what shade it is, but I will definitely leave that in the description bar below. So basically, your best friend is blending, basically, when you're doing makeup. Yeah. So going in with the Sacha Buttercup translucent setting powder. I'm just going to set her under eye and every other area that I highlighted. I really, really, really love this powder. If there's anything that I will actually brag about, I will brag about products that I really, really like. But yeah, for the most part, you can really achieve the same look with anything else. I really like a golden highlight, and this powder is so, I don't know, like it works on every single skin tone that I've seen. Like it just brightens up the area without making it look ashy. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For the longest time, I was using Ebony translucent setting powder in Topaz. That was incredibly light. Then I switched to Banana, and that was, the Topaz was too dark. I was too orange. I was too muddy, like mud. Anyway, like the mud you find in Benin, like those brown or orange. I was just like, no. And yeah, so I just ended up mixing Ebony banana powder and Ebony Topaz, and it was okay. But I definitely prefer this. So for bronzer, I'm using the Ellie Girl, not Ellie Girl, what am I saying? CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze. I'm actually surprised that I know the names of these products. Wow, look at me. Because I've been using them for years. So I just use this to bronze, like so that the harshness of the contour next to the highlight is not too crazy. So I use the bronzer as like a transition shade between dark and lights. I hope this makes sense. So yeah, I do that on the jawline, the sides of the nose, temples, basically everywhere I contoured. And next I'm using this Iman pressed powder just to kind of smoothen everything out and make sure there are no harsh lines, and it's just like a nice smooth, it gives like the effect of a nice smooth canvas, if that makes sense. But yeah, I hope you guys can see what I mean by I drew out the contour too much, but yeah, we do and we learn. Okay, so going in with I don't know, is this a bronzer? I think it's a bronzer. It's a bronzer slash blush. It's a blush that has like shimmer, and it's so light, it's so soft. And then I'm going with my Sleek Blush palette, and I love the orange one, but most times I just dip into all of it, like you guys can see. And it's just so beautiful on dark skin. If you have dark skin, that blush is definitely a must-have. So yeah, I'm still learning how to do brows on myself, talk less of other people. So yeah, here I just kind of like outline the brow. You can see her eyebrow shape is very unique, just like mine, but you guys will never know because I always finesse it. Yeah, in my family we have very strange brows. So like, because of my brows, I was able to kind of like finesse hers as well. I ended up having to like reshape them off camera, so you guys won't see the entire process. But usually I just like to outline the brows, top and bottom lines, and then lightly fill them in. But here I've already concealed and all of that stuff. So right here I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk, I believe. I think. But yeah, like I said, everything is in the description bar if you're interested. So I just put that on her lids to prime her lids for eyeshadow, and I just lightly blend the pencil out so we don't have harshness. We don't need that, okay? So next, I'm using that beautiful orange from the blush palette as a transition shade. I love, love, love orange on dark skin. It is so beautiful. I cannot, like, wow, it's just gorge. So I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. You guys can see how pretty it already looks. I love it. So next in, I'm using a dark brown for the outer corners, the outer V. And I'm just gonna stamp that in and then bring it in with gentle strokes. But I really want to concentrate it on the outer corners, and then just lightly, ever so lightly, sweep it into like towards the center of the eye. We don't want to bring it all the way to the other side. So as you guys can see, it's just mainly concentrated at the edges. So I'm just gonna do that on obviously each eye. So just stamp in the product so you get more color payoff. And then I'm just going to pop a nice champagne-y shimmer on her actual lid. So that goes in the inner portion towards the center. And you also want to overlap so you don't have this hash line of, you know, demarcation. And I got this absolutely beautiful shimmer. Is it a pigment? No, I don't know. It's just a shimmer eyeshadow I got. Like, you literally don't need a primer for it. You just dab your finger into it and just pop it on your eye and it stays. Yeah, setting spray is from NYX, I believe. NYX matte setting spray. Yeah. I probably set eyes like maybe 3 times during this procedure. But yeah, eyeliner is the e.l.f. liquid liner. I like to set the face multiple times just so I don't get that cast, that white muddy cast. I just want it to look like skin. So yeah. So we're gonna prep the eyes for lashes. So I'm just gonna put mascara on her lashes, and this one is from Sephora. I don't know exactly what mascara it is, but it's from Sephora. And then I'm just going in with this blush. What is it called? It's a highlight like a cocktail that I made. So my highlights all broke and I was like, what is this life? So I just kind of mixed all of them together in a separate container, and I've been using it like forever now. Like, it never runs out. It's just a lot of highlights. But yeah, yeah, it's my highlight cocktail. It's called Iman Perfect. Yeah. Anyway, so I put that on the high points of her cheeks and the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, her chin, and forehead. So yeah, basically the areas we highlighted. So I'm going in with this Zaron lip stick, liquid lipstick. I don't know the shade exactly, but like I said, description bar. So I'm going to use this to outline her lips, and then I'll work inside, like towards the inside of the lips later on. Such a beautiful cupid's bow. I love cupid bows. So I'm going to go towards the center of her lips with this beautiful light pink. It is usually too light for our skin tone, but because of the brown lipstick, it's just going to be perfect. It gives that ombre plump effect, as you guys can see. So I'm going in with these lashes I literally got from Aliexpress. It's so inexpensive, and you get like, what, 5 to 6, 7 pairs, and they look really natural. I'm, like I said before, I'm a very natural person when it comes to makeup. So if you're trying to not go for natural, then you wouldn't like this set. But I can leave you guys a link below if you're interested in purchasing this set. They're so natural. I've been asked many times if these are my real lashes. Trust me, look how natural they look. But yeah, I think we are done here. I think I set her face one more time, but you guys didn't get to see that. So yeah. Oh, I did so good. Look at me. Yes. Got her feeling herself. This was so much fun to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. Yeah, if you did enjoy it, please do share and give this video a like right down below. If you have any more comments, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please leave a comment below just to let me know that you guys enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more videos like this. If you'd like to see me put makeup on myself, let me know as well. Yeah, I could totally do that for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. It takes about 2 seconds. It's a beautiful red button right below this video towards the right. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.